up, fam? It's your boy, your favorite neighborhood Magicero, Dremagix. And today, for today's vlog, if y'all are keeping up, the last vlog I did mention I was in a car accident and it wrecked a lot of stuff, including my table, which I need to do magic. Here it is. Look, it's all beat up and it doesn't even stick, like the screws popping loose. And the tabletop is basically split in half. It's not a good time. Look, this is leftover felt, but you're like, see this bendy? You can't do magic with that little bendy right there. So today, we are going to build a new table, and let's go. So we went to the Chef's Toys in Torrance to find a jack stand, and that's the thing that holds the tabletop. They don't have it. So they said they have it at the Commerce location, so we're driving all the way to Commerce to try and get a jack stand. We called ahead. They said they have it, so they better not be lying to us. Alright, so we just got to Chef's Toys, and we initially parked in this lot right here because we thought there was a door here. And apparently I was pointed out that this is an arrow to be in here, but look at the babyest point on this fucking arrow. It doesn't look like, look, the knife looks like there was a door there. So apparently there was a door right there that got covered up with wall. But now we're on this side, so let's get a jack stand. Jack stand secure. Yo, dog, so we're stuck in traffic and we're like wondering why we're stuck in traffic. And look at this, these motherfuckers are having a photo shoot on top of the trucks. You causing traffic. Stop number 2. We are picking up a magic wand, and the best place to get a magic wand is not Disneyland. It's at Guitar Center. Watch. Holy crap, we found them. Magic wands. And they come in a pack of 2. So, accomplishment. We're gonna go get a tabletop, and all the stuff to build a tabletop now. We might eat first. Yeah, sticks, check. Next up, we gotta build a tabletop. So we are at Home Depot. We found the wood. It's taking forever for them to come and cut this shit down. Home Depot in Cerritos. Get your shit together. Alright, hopefully this is the last stop. We gotta get all the material for the tabletop, some double stick tape, Joanne's. Alright, so we got all the pieces. Jack stand, check. Big ass piece of wood, check. Felt and foam, check. Sticks and tape, check. So we're gonna go home and build all this stuff. It'll be a working rig. 1, 2, 3, bang. All right, so we have a board that it's over here. Hold on. Boom. So we have a board that's way too big. I need to measure out about 1 foot and then cut it up. And I thought I had a bigger saw, but what we're using is a handsaw. And this is gonna take forever unless I find a bigger saw, which I probably won't. But yeah, let's figure this out. Wish me luck. this is gonna take forever. All right, it took an hour and a half to cut the wood into the piece I want. Now we're cutting the felt. We cut the foam up already. So this is the foam. And then we're just gonna cut the felt. And we're done. I'm tired. And then you can fashion the leftover into like a scroll or a Mega Man thing. I don't know. But this is the color I chose for the table. It's Blue Velvet. That's my nickname in college. Blue Velvet. We found the big boy saw and we didn't have to use the baby saw. So that's good. Ladies and gentlemen, the final product. Look at this. So now that we have the table built, we are going to get started on the last piece, the wand. First, we get, you know, a lot of people think, oh, you get a magic wand from a magic shop. Nah, dude. You go to Guitar Center and you get these drumsticks. These drumsticks don't taper off. They're straight all the way through. They come in a set of 2. The perfect pair. I already made one. They look like this, but at the end they're gonna look like this, and it's gonna be it's a magic wand or a good wand for busking. I dropped the stick, but we're gonna make one right here. All you need is the wand, some scissors, and electric tape. And now it's that simple. You have a busking stick or a wand that you can use in all your busking sets. And because they're drumsticks, they come in a set of 2 in case you lose one. And now you can do all the things, right? Testing the table. So let's see if it moves just like the old one. It does. Look at that. The cards look really nice and vibrant on the blue, which is cool. I like it. Up. Yo, thank you so much for watching me build and recoup my table. It means a lot. We got all the pieces and now we can get back to performing with all the proper materials. If you have any questions or anything like that for magicians, drop it down in the comment section and we'll do maybe a Q&A soon. But until then, everyone, spread love, make magic. See you on the next vlog. Peace.